right. Good evening and welcome to a Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbeda. I think it's cover 3 days or 4 days. In share I'm transferring for news and by. I think we focused more on the tactical aspect of Kotoko. One word the other near Pesemunian Tiasia or dear cost work Kotoko team on players naba. Medical they are two men say Santo Kotoko team no. Signings, they are almost 95% true. So maybe therefore, there is the need to sit down and carefully analyze the Kodoko team, break it down. Now, more and more enjoy channel exactly what Kotoko and what to even expect from the team. In Tina steady for some time now you focus more on the tactical aspect of Kotoko, player profiling, team profiling, system profiling. Send at least mubeti Kotoko team na see pa. There will be more tactical videos I beba in the coming days. Now, another mamu stories, mamu news, you head transfer, you head operational aspect of Kotoko. That is nyoma koso our club no. Pre-season home komono at the same menya abotre apensen mu kakra e de amamo na Kotoko day on say Arsenal about the Emirates Cup, Barcelona about the one Gampa, Simba FC the Simba day. Now it's gradually becoming tradition. And AC Milan a book game against Monza or San Siro. Meaning I say clubs ni bebre who say ansana season be start no. Ubo match bi na de agigis kakra na de 2 year. Na ma bibia akoso. Me pick signals be on the Kotoko day. But ho nchiremu ebe bro fache me. Sometime now no code be ya ha me kakra. Yes, nti etimi ya no pano radio ya na edin se betimi aba ha. Ni asa aba ba ya mo ene se me de ni edin pa na e. Nti Anopano Philaman is one of the guys on also the Selbed network ho. Ono ne kopie mu wa Adakwajache. And now ono and I go for videos, any interviews if we Adakwajache. So for us to get a better understanding of the conversation, Phila Twaso na or the AJ Sports Complex news aba. Na or the enu na me the other news around Kotokono at the ababa. So the Phila sum na fa Dakwajache and okoye the see wo hono on the tofa efa me mama ne metiefo na me wia akaje agum with other stories. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. A Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbed. Everybody here.
When you say me din e de appear could be Patrick, ubetimi afre me Philaman. Me ne say Obed a champion in the AD dwumadie ama bibia nso etimi akokama. Na ene eye Tuesday, month of August, I dare say day 13, 2024. Mame fan to just say ne. Asante Kotoko obokuo no e ma nsankyerefo nyina ba Adakwajache. Ne nyina eye media open day. Omu biem enso edema ye se ye mebusa wo mu ensensem a de se ewo yakoma so ye pese ye busa wo mu omu game a omo ne Media Sporting Club ebetimi abono it is enchofo anopai ye tam ye camera ani ye microphone ekọ Adakwajache any some de se Kotoko mpanimfo no any place ni bi kodi nkomo anopa 7:30 am na chese team no alande ewo Adakwajache se de da bia munim se omo kọ ekoyi omo training no maduru ho na dwumadie no nso eba so ema omo ma ensentrefo kwan eno 7:45 am anu mu biem de ma yei ensentrefo se ye ni place no ebi eni nkomo initially ni ye hwese nke bia anke ni place no dodo na betimi edi nkomo na enso mpanifo ma ye te ase se eye blay ene baba ya yanko a no betimi amomo ni ye ni omadi nkomo etumo ma blay ene baba ya ema ne bai ama nsentrefo yensu yetimi ebusabusa omo kwashin ema bibia nso etimi kọ kama entu hwe sem a yedi tututu manima ade se babia ya ofori kru Messi ana yedi kan ebusabusa ne nsem yedi ebusa ne nsem ne bi ne se o hwe some players o maba enei eye new players ye o maba yi any old players no omo communication any omo links ayonkofa no etisei ema babe ya ofori krum Messi edit to yenim say o hwe sese kotoko team nim sese ya omunim obi a friend dey say new player and old players omo nyina ye baako omo nyina ko mo ho bom etimi eye training kama communication eye bibia eye expert bibia go through omo ye training kama enti new players any ade say old players ne dey bibia eye fana eno nso eye nsema yere to dwa ewudwuma de sunti eno nso eye nkomo ne bi na yesan to aso ebusa ne say last season kotoko performance no na enye coming season dia de ano babe ya ofori kru Messi no ye expect emfamfiri no ho ano say ye expect more emfamfiri no oye kotoko supporter expect more efefro no babe ya ofori kru Messi no obema ye goals asame ya assist na chese watimi aboa ma team no nso no etimi afomu ntuma pefra enti sa performance ya no kotokofo nya ne mugidie ewu kinface a ede be fa no babe ya say this season kotoko ade say mo expect emfini ho se bibia betimi akokama yeto aso esan busa ne say o hye kotoko team na eda wo sisi na last season ade say no ma bibiri ankoyi performance na nye o hye na ade say kotoko we ne ba kon no ma lose be mienu this season di ade and you expecting from every team no ho o se kotoko o ye kotoko supporter de o so ya ne say afi no obeba stadium mo beba be support team no because omo players no omo hwe training na omo ya combine teamwork adwuma enti omo aye well determined say afi no points bi omo lose bia no omo be hwe omo betimi aye age no de on fan to dwa say enei no team no ebeji league na emo omo bebo modern say position omo team edi last year no this season omo betimi improve more na supporters no so ani etimi age enu echi no Justice Blay enso de kakra to so yebusa Chief Justice Nkuku Blay say ofri Midiama Sporting Club eba Asante Kotoko wabo edi echi omo pen na this time a new stadium Takwa TNA Park obo edi echi an former club motivation ede say motivational wise ne say preparation ne say ono so motivation cool uhwe de we a coach enu mo ye adwuma chirechiro mo tactical bibia eko kama ohunu se motivation no cool determination nso wo soro enti wo kan obi ate ase se kotoko aye ready for nyame ya adoma game a omoni media ma ebebo no Friday team no aye ready se o betimi ni media ma abo na de betimi aka ne se supporters ya omo betimi afiri Kumase akotakwa no okwa a omehwe good football omo sa betimi anya results papa edi abakurum ha Ibusa Justice Blay say ne contract with Asante Kotoko enche kra na eba na wieye na eno nso so etisei Kotoko obetena anase obekọ ara so Kotoko abusua ne ya abusua bi a eda na koma so pa ahwe Justice Blay de wi osi da do Kotoko edo fans na ono ne be pese obetimi atena na emom sansem ne de ono no empenifo ene betimi decide so obetena so on tena ne de empenifo ene betimi decide yeto aso busan se opese otena ana se ono di onya obetimi atena yesan to aso ebusan se game against Midiama Sporting Club o hye Midiama obejubilate o se jubilation ne de wonani so pa because o hye Midiama ofiri ho ache enti won ka se wo hye Midiama wa abra on jubilate si nyame ya adom na se ball eba na Blay na yenim no wo pem to atenem anase short bi yi no ho na obo ere to atenem a jubilation ne de mubehu Jude Bellingham mu die ni bi sans na abohu Mbappe mu die ni bi jubilation ne de why na adwen so obe jubilate ama bibia nso etimi akokama enti nsam no yebusa amo emom nso etimi ejia no yefiri ho no ana eyade se coach eflo mu nyina emom starte ene training omo normal training and dan de nyina omo ye no enti omo starte ye edo mu ho hye Nyankopon sa ebo mpaye kakra di nkomo kakra nklasa ana team no ehyaase eye shake up kakra nkra omo running ya close to be 10 minutes o hwe running na nhye da nye a heat bi sa ajomu omo running normal na half park no running kakra krasa team ni nyina uhwe team na player and wantimi anyi training one ka team no anyi training no eye smart eno eye Mohammed ono ani inya na ntie se enra omo elbow ball no na so training koso no ade se okọ elbow bi a wantimi anlandie nti wo injury kakra nti wantimi an ka team no ho amomo an training nti team no running sa omo wiye no ana ade se omo ye some physical training any cons work ana bibia so etimi call kama eno achi no team no Prosperity Ogum 3v3 echichichi place nim amumu piapia ball no omo ye control pass piapia ball no nkakra nkasa nti hwe team na Prosperity Ogum group team no amumu piapia ball no sa ama bibia so call kama eno achi hwe goalkeepers no so a 3 goalkeepers ni nyina na anije wo ho uhwe goalkeeper bi eti se Mohammed Kamara ono de on se ono no wonte ye kasa ne twi no wonte ana brofo no so ne ho den de man nti French na de sempenimfo so na omode kire ne nkakra mode train no sanso na Frederick Assar goalkeeper ono first choice goalkeeper don so no ono so wo ho trainee eno ati no obenya Fatal Seidu yes ono enso goalkeeper bi a third choice goalkeeper Edman Sante Kotoko nti usha na keepers no so no omo trainee kama na confidence level no wo soro usho de we a no mu see training a bibia dia dance say players no goalkeepers no omo aye well determined for the season nti eno nso de course so goalkeeping side no eno achi no coach Prosperity training no course we ye no o group team no group A group B and I say team A team B na hwe team A na eno achi no ubenya Frederick Assare sanso na obehu ade se Samba One yes the new Thiago Silva obehu no eno achi no obehu ade se Patrick Essiedumo sanso na ade se Joseph Ablomo Papa Yaya ofuri kru Messi sanso na Peter Medu akwamo no mo nso ewu ade se team A na chese omo no na ehye omo no ma Jesse na omo di train no team B no so goalkeeper Mohammed Kamara sanso na Justice Blay Henry Kwame Ensu ene Lord Amo Mikey Che Jamenamo nso ewo sa team B nim eno achi Andrews in team menu and of course Abrantia friend Prince Adasa no mu nyina ewo team ade se B nim a omo nso etimi ehye vest no edugo omo Jesse ne so a omo training kama pa na ohwe a game no ekoso no na supporters no nso wo ho a ade se omo nso monitor game no na corner bi ebeto ho ama ade se player your friend eno Prince Adasa and I say yes Prince Adasa pija corner no Justice Blay pinball no eto atenem na ohwe supporters ne dia na chese nijie nko a Blay the way I see pinball no eto atenem no na efe pa then no ma coach bufu kakra Prosperity bufu kakra and of friend Samba and of friend ade say defender your friend Joseph Ablo every two men him say chale bo bi say there ma ade say Justice Blay be pinball bi say esha na chese mo center back no ma anya de because say everyone say league match ni e ba maybe a player free what's about me mark no the coach e kasa kire boys no e ma boys no so e ti omo ho ase e ma training course so the training e course no na hu say enije e course pa na go bi a Abrantia ye friend no eno I think say Albert Amoa yes Albert Amoa etimi antis bi twetwe e twe Blay e ma Blay tina ase kra ehye go na go no so fantastic nti wo hwe the way abetamo so ehye go na anije wom ti supporters no omu enya anije ene ahomeka bi se omo boys no with determination and confidence ya omo di training ne de anije ewo team na ana se eni daso enso ewo team no nti ade se empanifo no enso ebebe ba ho a bibia nso etimi ko kama ye ne supporters ne bi edi nkomo amomo nso ahwe se afi no omo no say Asante Kotoko team no bibia betimi ago through nti na eda ko jachi training ground a ana se training etimi course a media nso etimi any team no kodi nkomo no na sa any team ekoye
Okay, Philip, me da say comprehensive report out the free age de ababa somme mamento a nsem no so ha sei na memfa de akam nyina enhye wa corner emfa ma Asante Kotoko chitafo exclusively mama transfer news mienu catch us a Kotoko 95% down ba me ni mienu bi bema ho ama bibia atimi akoyi wo na ye tikot ko ho komo no kotoko pre-season trip to Germany no nsempii na eba ho on say there are sides of the conversation money organizer ni din komo which is room din komo mo de omoka and I call the other side so a omo news omo de ba my main can say last 2 weeks Asante Kotoko players no last week rather omo pie mu Accra no for one reason or the other Asante Kotoko only baba ya penny wura mu the other players no one reason or the other nkomodie na ntimi ansi pi the way I know mo pe no therefore there was the need say na ochiwe keye enra which is Monday na nke se Kotoko team no cry timi concran the entire team timi concran na omko submit omo documents na eme bibia mu da ho na nka possibly on sa Asante Kotoko nhihye mu no omo nyaaya nka la first week of September they should be in Ghana because omo match no tamale against Karela United nti ehun se da hia se omo be chewa manone tinka from 18th all things being equal from 18th na nka nioma tutomu a na nka omo kurekure mu a e de akwa the ending of this month nanka first week no bia by third day they should be in Ghana send omo wi obetimi atukwa akotamale na omo game omo ne Karela ekobo no omo de akwa so enti sana na community na enra no inya nim sa Asante Kotoko team na ntimi ankonkran they clearly the entire team na ntimi ankonkran ochina ye ukuada yawada bomu free Kumasi akwa kopiem otakwa nti say players ni betimi appear in person together with other staff of Asante Kotoko na omakudin komo akọ interview kakra in person to submit their documents is getting difficult almost every day ade senyina na ehetin cause ochina yenya news bi ase Kotoko players na ekọ nti egusu monitor he say whether visas na ba na say ba de enim say nkomoko on say technical team na nka first 10 ne ho ti omo nyina na esomoko plus first 10 no issue na eti nti na esomo so san akobiem but it looks like hono aye slow kakra nti no obi a no follow me last week bi na me ka say Asante Kotoko nkomo die mu no ene omo nhihye they have an alternative which is a plan B na plan B no na Kofodua no nkomo no ebe mu be no na nkeye be 2 weeks kadioma e Kumasi nkomo e Kofodua na nkeye no ma be nkran na nkomo atu aso na akosogbo enti okai say elia won me ka Cape Coast bi so kirewo say eno so won framanum on say coastal areas Cape Coast da omi na hono so no e won framanum but mostly we ye pre-season you need a proper training facility baby abetumi ayi training ye na no na may I deal with confirmed news into obi abetumi aka ne de ba me de no de nipa me ji omo di ka kirem na meka what I can tell you is that they are working on it enti say by Thursday say otisa Asante Kotoko officially omo asesa omo nioma na right after the Midiama game womo toaso akwa mu ewo potamu ho elmi na Cape Coast ho baby akwa hye abom adwa aye 2 weeks pre-season don't be surprised eno no nkomo no edu akire akakakra bi na omahwie sa part no ama bibia etimi akoye so yes there is some level of truth in what is circulating nokre kakra wumpa but hano ye kan sisu pain ebra asisu pain ti se menem din komaka so akakakra the kan se na yetie na but it is in the pipeline and almost out of the pipeline for Kotoko to go and continue their pre-season over the coastal areas mamen kan sa na bibia there will definitely be friendly games also who stay with Ghana there you get some of the Premier League teams to play with now enya no pe metimi di ato anim sɛ empema nkosi ene benada ne na wɔtwe pɛpɛɛpɛ no na mmeranteɛ mmienu atumi aba abɛka Asante Kotoko wɔ mo atim no ho. Yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ Kotoko ndi Shao Khan Mohammed as a defensive midfielder ho. Na ɔmbɛ add value because they say Sharif Mohammed the recovery no nsɛm kakra ho. Newton no said they will profile Shao Khan Mohammed as a central midfielder, as a central defensive midfielder. Nti ɔmo plan sɛ ɔmo de ɔno so ba abɛka ho. Na one other foreigner, he is expected Midiama game ne de ɔnka ho nsrɛ. Nko gyina ba bia nka sɛ wo bɛ sɛ foreigner ne ba bɛbɔ Midiama game ne ɔnka ho. But deɛ me pick ne yɛ sɛ empema nkosi efiada anopa na waba abɛduru Ghana. Foreigner no na waba abɛduru Ghana. Na obɛduru a team no bɛ pick no from Accra. Enam sɛ Kotoko team na nka sɛ ni Accra ne nti no ɔmbɛ pick no from Accra, somebody within the Asante Kotoko supporters base ɛna bɛ pick abrante no fi Accra. Na straight ɔmo ɛde nakɔ Elmina. Na diaka no etimi akɔ to also nipa ne ka sɛ on sɛ unveiling no ene na ɔmo yɛ a ɛkyerɛ sɛ nipa na ba abɛduru. But to avoid any issues no nipa ne hyɛ me sɛ memma me ho meka asɛm na menka nkɔpem dwoada. Ti me de benada aka ho sɛ by a week foreign player is set to join Asante Kotoko. Na watimi aba abɛka ho ama bibia etimi akɔyie. Na Shao Khan Mohammed in common. The me pick me say na what you win. A quine ebedem ama bibia tinya clear in terms of the judgment around Shao Khan Mohammed. Inti eno so no yema ye ho enkopem eye ebrada na ekwan mu ada ho ama bibia etinya koya. Asante Kotoko eye supporters na ekɔ takwane de for one issue altogether that in Facheme. In say news, we catch me on Sunday, but now me home enye mi kakra. And team, sure now the news is out there. And so person oko a year mamenye announcement we quick mon fan cheme. So person oko Kotoko any mediama game na me saw friend number we quick. Chairman Alexander Menu number 0248 490826 0248 490826 and here Chairman Alexander Menu so Kumase and then Mpotemwa and on the number over friend now uni Kumase now outside Kumase now person will secure ticket my catch up some match no a free gate I'm so Fred dacha hine the number is 0244122795 0244122795 but your Fred dacha hine na ono emboa ticket won sensem your Kotoko 10 year obeboa ma wonsa etimi akabe. These are the two numbers that you can call if you want to go and watch Kotoko any mediama. For now there migusu and American ne omudi nkomo otakwa to find out whether it's been confirmed that a TV station will show. Almost there is preparation on that, but I can confirm that story by tomorrow. At the amount say a TV station will show. Now, Kotoko first 5 matches, I deal with my son. Kotoko first 5 matches, 10 year. And I'll pay na meeting come. But one common and that is even one of the main reasons currently I'm a buyer number. Na say Asante Kotoko company for. Oye chiteni na woda sore na wote se Kotoko company for officially. Can't we say they will play against a team who only the first 5 matches na Kotoko bebonum shenenso. We need the first 5 matches now. Or what we call a Kotoko day. May pick signals me pa and a strong signals because me twice be say nsuatra na and me pick and say there be on say nsuatra se Kotoko ne first 5 matches ni nsuatra wo Menya sure say be Midiema from what I'm picking now, no. Enye Midiema. As to the club, ne dear, the meet me I can say club need the first 5 matches Kotoko ebebo ewo a year league no. But on Sunday enumre Asante Kotoko company for Asia. Didn't come say omo try say by that time na Kotoko Jesus na replica Jesus na ba. Sesa Sunday na before Ghana Premier League never start no. Team no wherever they are doing their preseason will come back to Kumasi and come and play a game at Baba Sports Stadium to outdoor the players. And the assembly Mrebe and American about the Kotoko Day, it looks like in Penny 4 Asumu Chiche woman air planet be something is boiling under. Chair announcement a bit me Abba. So Kotoko will play a friendly game Baba before eventually omo ebeko tamale akwakobo against a club the friend Karela United. Senti clear kese good news e free ho eba. Na mame copy mo chanopa because I'm waiting for some confirmations. Na makan semono e de studio e de ama but enye nsu atre because during my course no mebisa panyini baako so na nsu atre mind the on say clearly it looks like Kotokoni omo this kind of rapport and this kind of relationship for some time now no Kotoko crash the J Kufuor Kapa Kotokoni nsu atre mind the boy so that was even before last season never started no and a Kotoko boy and even last season never started no then you say one of the home matches Asante Kotoko boy was against nsu atre mind but penyin ne ka kire me say nsu atre mind over the first 5 matches Kotoko bebo no inti eba na sa na ya na nya advice about so on bebo when in the next maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks you sign no match in the Ghana Premier League. So yes, something is boiling under. Kotoko will play a game. It is almost 70% true. Still working on the finishing touches. Opportunity it will be properly launched as the Kotoko Day for supporters to come buy the jerseys, and the club will also unveil their players and other plans around the team to the supporters. Mamin Famunsia na ochina any other days. Mrepa ba na hoden ba dia kem nyina de besom. Bye bye.